QC Event School offers a variety of online certification courses in the event planning industry. When you enroll with QC, you get the flexibility to study at your own pace and on your own schedule with no strict deadlines. You also receive lifetime access to your course materials in the online Student Center, so you can always refer back to up-to-date content. Start your training with one of QC's comprehensive foundation courses. In the Event and Wedding Planning course, you'll learn how to plan private parties of all kinds, including birthdays, retirement parties, religious celebrations, and more. You'll also learn how to plan small and large-scale weddings, as well as pre-wedding parties, such as engagement parties, bridal showers, and rehearsal dinners. The Corporate Event Planning course teaches you how to work with corporate stakeholders and how to plan and manage all types of corporate events, such as product launches, social events, conferences, and trade shows. These foundation courses come with full business training if your goal is to start your own business. QC also gives you the opportunity to grow your skills with a 50% discount on all additional courses. Choose from a selection of advanced and specialty courses such as event decor, luxury planning, live events, and much more. As a QC student, you have access to student support services 7 days a week. You can contact us anytime by phone, email, live chat, or through social media. Your questions will always be answered. We are proud to have many successful graduates working in the event planning industry worldwide. You can view our graduates' work featured on our website. With industry-approved training and guidance from experienced tutors, you'll be ready to start your career as a professional certified event planner within as little as 3 to 6 months.